Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of July 10th through the 16th, which is week 28, I believe. Let me sneaky peek to double check what the week is going to be. Yes, week 28 of 2023 in my Estelle by Any Plans B6 Daily Classic. This is the undated one I've been using all year. For this week, I'm using this kit from Planning Inspired. I think it's called Shark Week, or maybe just Shark. But I just printed off the first page, which then I cut in half to be 2 pages, essentially, is the way it works out. So I just have some full boxes, some like quarter or third boxes, a bunch of checklists, flag kind of quarter boxes, a few icons, stuff like that. And then while I was at it, I did also pull out this Happy Planner Seasons book. I thought some of the summary stuff would work out pretty well. I pulled out this Scotch washi tape. It's not an exact match on color, but I feel like the vibes are there. And then I pulled out this Bic Intensity pen in this lime green color, and I pulled out this iBuyAm fine liner in a turquoise color. And I'm gonna use these two for doing my dates, all of that kind of stuff. So I am going to fill in that stuff. I think my plan is going to be to do kind of like an all caps, but maybe like an abbreviated date kind of version. I've never done that before, but that might be kind of fun to make it like a little, I don't know, more worky. I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna play around with it, gonna write in some things, we're gonna figure it out, and then I will come back so that we can do the interesting bits. Okay, so we've got that much filled in so far. I think it's looking cute and fun, functional, all those things that I need. For this setup, I actually only get 7 full boxes, so I'm trying to decide if I want to like skip the full box on this page or later. Maybe I'm gonna use this guy. Okay, so in whatever this is, in the Happy Planner book, there's this one that says have a beach day, and I feel like it'll kind of go with the vibes, and the color is pretty good match. I hate these kind of like transparent-ish stickers that are plasticky for sticking down though, because it will like struggle very easily. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then I think maybe I'm gonna use this guy for my meals. I don't think I'm gonna stick any like label or anything like that above it. For some reason, maybe I forgot to do the bottom edge of these. That's fun. Okay. Do I want to stick in anything up here? I don't think so. I don't really have anything that super goes, so I could use this. The colors are like perfect. Okay, great. I'm gonna use this where it says today. I feel like that seems nice. And then I'm gonna stick in this guy like so. And then the colors are like a little brighter, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this checklist right here and trim off the bottom, because apparently I forgot to trim the bottom of all of these, because you know, that's how things are going today. And I'm just going to pull out the bottom 2 from here. I'm just gonna stick the rest on my hand. Actually, I think it'll fit here. I need it later anyway. And I'm gonna stick that down here. It's not a perfect gradation, but that looks pretty good to get the full week worth of being able to put in some meals and whatever. And then down here at the bottom, I am just gonna take a pair of sunglasses from the Happy Planner book and stick it down at the bottom. Okay, that looks really cute actually. I really like that. Okay, for Monday, we now have enough boxes that I can use a box for the rest of the days. So why did I do this and not cut some of these very well? I think my slice tool is definitely getting dull, because I can see where I tried to slice it and it just didn't work at all. I'm gonna stick that up here. Still doing it through the middle. That seems to be working out pretty well. And then I'm gonna take maybe one of these lime green ones. I don't think it matters which one. This one's pattern, the other one's not. I don't think it matters. I'm gonna stick that kind of under the work day. That can be for my workout. I think I can make that fit. And then I am also going to take, which one do I want to use? Maybe I'll use this guy. Yeah, the slice tool is definitely struggle busing. The problem is that these like ceramic ones, you can't really sharpen them. You just have to replace it when it doesn't work anymore. So that might just need to be on my list of things I do soon, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, I'm just gonna pull this apart, and then I'm just gonna start pulling these guys off one at a time, so that I can use them to track my steps. Stick the rest on my hand, but I'm gonna leave some space there, and then I'm gonna stick this guy in for that. That's all I really have for Monday. For Tuesday, I think I'm gonna use maybe this one. That seems cute. So stick that one in. I also don't really have anything planned for Tuesday. Most of this week is just work stuff, and I think that's all that's really happening during the week. So nothing very exciting there, but I'm gonna stick that in, and then I'm going to cut off another one of these guys, and I'm gonna leave some space again. I don't know if I left the same amount of space, but it's close enough. I'm not worried. So stick that one in. And then I'm gonna use this pattern here for Wednesday. I feel like somewhere towards the middle of the week, it's nice to kind of drop in some pattern options. And then I'm gonna use this guy. And then I'm gonna cut another one of these. This section is gonna be very, more or less the same color blue, but I think that's gonna be fine. Stick that like here maybe. All right, that looks pretty good. Thursday, I think I'm gonna use this one that says no swimming. There we go. Save the other green one for the weekend. Stick in this guy. And then I'm gonna trim this one. There we go. Stick that down for steps. And then we need one more over here. I think maybe this one. And the lime green. And this guy. And that kind of covers our weekdays. So very formulaic, but I think that's gonna work out pretty well. And then moving on to the weekend, I'm just gonna stick in these last couple of full boxes, like so. There we go. And then so that I can just finish off this page, I am just gonna drop this in up here right now. No idea what it's gonna be for, but I will figure that out when we get there. And then also while I'm at it, I am going to take a couple of these full box checklists. I still call them that even though I don't use the standard vertical anymore. But I can't not call it that for whatever reason. And I'm going to stick one here. And then I'm going to take another one. There we go. And I'm going to stick that over here. And then that still leaves me like 2.5 that I can add in as I need it. And then I think the only thing I still have left to fill in, because as I said, really no idea what's going on. I don't think I have any like weekendy stickers that make sense. Nope, so not gonna stick in anything there. So the last one is I'm gonna just take this little trash icon, which is now only half sticky, so that's fun. And I'm just gonna mark that down right there. There we go. So this is kind of where we're at for the pre-planning. Pretty bare bones, but hopefully will be very functional and useful. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spreads. All right, here are the finished spreads, at least as much as I can share. I think they turned out so cute, so fun. I do have a few things left from the Planning Inspired kit, just a couple of little round icons, this like quarter box flag situation, and a couple of checklists. I'm gonna throw those in my leftovers, and we'll definitely be using them in the future. If I don't mention it, it did come from that Planning Inspired kit. Both of the pens are Bic Intensity pens. This Have a Beach Day Today and this little sunglasses are all from a Happy Planner, the seasonal summer book. And then these guys are an extended 1 in 40% of the checklist from the Planning Inspired kit. And then looking over here at the weekend, I really just used the kit and the markers along the top, but otherwise didn't need to pull anything else in. So I think it turned out really cute, fun, summery. It was fun for Shark Week. Even if I didn't really watch any Shark Week content on TV, it's still always fun to have included in my planner, and it's definitely bright and summery. So that's all I really have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below, or leave me a shark emoji just to say hi. Totally fine with either, and I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads of as much of this planner and my other planners as I can show, as well as bits and pieces of my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.